guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yash. So here's hi. This is my grandfather, and this is a two gift my sister gave me. So I gonna open this here. My sister wrote here Yash YSH. Now here also you wrote YSH. Here YSH. Now we're gonna open. Now, what is there? What is there? I am opening. First, I count and open. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey, don't open. Let him come, grandma. Oh, call. Over. Let him come over.
Wait.
After wait.
Sheep.
Huh?
This is a first one gift. So let's open it.
Zero awa ಬರ್ಲೆ awa ನಿಲ್ಲು ಕುಂದಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗು
ಅವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಲೆನೋವು
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ
ಈಗ ಅವಾಗ ತಲೆನೋವು
ಹೌದಾ
ಪಾಪ ಅವ ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋನಾ ಓಪನ್ ಇಟ್
ಓಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇಟ್ lollipop
Oh my god! Lollipop!
Nice, huh?
Nice. We afterwards open. Now let's gonna open this second gift.
Second gift.
Now let's see. Oh my god! A candy! Candy! Oh! This is a candy! No, this is not a
What is
candy.
that?
Oh, this is a candy. I love this.
You like this? How do you
Here.
like?
First we are gonna open this.
ಅವ್ವ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ವ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನೇನು
How to
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
open?
ಪೇಪರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
Oh. So this broken. First. Oh. Now we're gonna open. See, my grandfather will.
ಓಕೆ
My grandfather will open. I not to open this. I don't know to open this. So my grandfather will open.
ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಕಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್
Okay, now let's gonna open. Now
ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಓಪನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್
what?
ದಿಸ್
This magic pop, guys. It when we eat this, then it will come one sound like put like that.
ಪಟಾಕಿ
When we eat this, and
Kakari
it will
sound,
come pataki song, like pataki. So what is this? I don't know, guys. First we're gonna open this. Second one we will open this. What is this? Toy or candy? I will open. I open this. Oh, wait a minute, guys. So guys, I didn't found a scissor only. So this paper.
Go ask mommy.
Wait a minute, guys. So guys, we found the scissor. It was drop down. So, now,
Cut it. Cut ಮಾಡಲಾ
shall this is grandfather is cutting. Oh, I gonna open it. I opened,
Scissors? No,
guys. Now let's check it. What's oh my god! Oh my
all
god!
right.
Oh my!
So much fun.
Chocolate! Candy!
Oh.
Oh my god! Cars! Oh my god!
All toys. How many
All
toys?
toys! Oh my god! This lollipop also!
also.
All candy! 3 candy and two toys. Oh my god. I never see this, guys.
What do you like this? Yes, sir.
Let's reopen. How to fix it?
What gift you are giving your sister?
My sister gives this. I am so happy with this.
When you give it? Yeah.
Oh, ring. So I put ring.
Oh, nice ring.
Nice ring. Now let's gonna do this like this.
No.
Oh, I fixed it, guys. Now let's put this. How to put? Oh, I know.
No. What is this?
And
No.
what is this, guys? A car.
Ah,
Ooh, sheesh. Oh, wow, this candy. Oh, it's a jelly. Jelly.
Didn't give it.
What is this, guys? A gumball. I know this.
Small chocolate.
Oh, small gems. I love this. It's very cute, guys.
Where is
Now
that?
let's open it. What is this,
What
guys?
is that?
Lipstick candy.
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Now let's gonna. Oh, no.
Sweet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No, this is. What? Lipstick candy.
ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ.
ಅದಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ ತಾತ. ಅದಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಹೀಗೆ.
ಅದಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ. Now, guys.
ಸಿಸರ್ ತೆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ?
Now, guys. Let's make this. How many candy?
ಅವ ಬಂದು
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My cat come. Oh.
grandma come.
Oh my
grandma
god.
come see.
Omra.
అదంట కూకో.
So this is
అది ఇదంతా కావాలంట దానికి. ఏమది? పోరనే పోయి తినిపోరా పోయి.
this is my grandmother and this is a candy. This is a car. My cat come, guys.
Show everything whatever it is.
This is my car.
ಇದೇನಿದೆ?
ಇದು lollipop.
ಅದದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ಇದೇನಿದೆ?
ಪಟ್ ಪಟ್
ಪಟ್ ಪಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಯಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್.
ನೀನ್ ಲಿಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀಯಾ?
ಚೀಪ್గా ఉంటుంది.
ತಿನ್ನೋದು.
చాక్లెటా?
Guys.
అన్ని దీనిలో నేను ఉంటావు చూడని సీ లోపల తీసింది నేనేం ఊరికే అది ఆటదేమో దానిలో
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವಾಗೆ.
My cat is sad, guys. I need to wait.
ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡು ಸಾಕು ಅಪ್ಪು
What is here? Oh my god, this guy! Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh, here guys. Oh my god, let's eat this. I think this is gumball. Very nice. Super! Oh. Now this lipstick. Open this. Oh. It is so nice, guys. I love this gift. Now let's close. Enough eating. Okay, let's see here. Oh, it's rounding. It's rounding, guys. How does it round? Let's take this. How to make I know. Wait a minute. This is. What is this? Oh, I know it, guys. I forgot, guys, to make this. I forgot to make. So let's do like this.
Now you're
In the
happy.
this.
Now you're happy.
Yes. Now let's eat this. How it's taste?
Now you are happy, huh? You want.
Eat.
Yeah, nice. Super.
I already eat one, guys. Now this is for morning. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye.